Here are 11 skincare products that I cannot live without. Over the last couple of years, I have become a fiend for skincare. I probably have way too many things, but these items over here that I'm going to be sharing are things that I absolutely, positively cannot live without, will always, forever repurchase and keep in stock, and I'm going to show you guys and share why. This is in no particular order, but I want to start off with my girl, Aquaphor. I use this stuff every single day, multiple times a day. This is the one that I like to get. I like the squeeze bottle because it's less messy than the tub that you have to dig your hands in. This one is 7 ounces. And then I also recently, in the last couple of months, started buying the Aquaphor lip balm. I use this for everything, for lips. I'll sometimes even slather all over my face before going to bed. I just dyed my hair black. I use that to protect my skin. I put it on my eyelashes, my eyebrows. I basically lather this stuff all over my body. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes instead of lotion, I will just put this all over my body. Also for running, this is kind of nasty, but your feet get pretty dry, blistery, flaky. Aquaphor to the rescue. This is used every single day. And most of the stuff is body care, skincare, just anything you put on your skin is what we're talking about today. This next one is more so for my shower routine, is Dr. Bronner's soap. The peppermint one is my favorite. I also really just like the unscented or the lavender one. This will get you feeling so squeaky clean. I will usually put a couple of drops of this in addition to a body wash. Every couple of months, I'll also just use this on my face to just really get it clean. I also use this in my hair as a shampoo, a cleanser. There's tons of other things you can use this for, but for skincare, this is so good. This leaves your body or your face feeling so squeaky clean, but make sure that you dilute it because it is very strong. I have tried many deodorants in my day, but this is the only one that works for me, is this right here. This is the Dove Even Tone. If you struggle with any type of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, try this out. I have to put this on. If I go more than maybe a week without wearing this, my armpit discoloration will start coming back. This is the only deodorant I wear. I know it has aluminum. That personally doesn't really matter to me. This is the only one that works. Also kind of same category but different is this mini Dove spray deodorant. Whenever I go out anywhere, I always keep this in my bag to refresh throughout the day or throughout the night. I do wish that they had other scents in the travel size. This cucumber, whatever it is, Cool Essentials is the only one they have in this travel size, but these two are always in stock. For the lips, so if I don't have on the Aquaphor, this is what is on my lips. Summer Fridays. Now, not to brag, but I've been on Summer Fridays lip balm before it was popular on TikTok. I think I first tried this out about 2 years ago, and it is expensive, I'm not gonna lie. The price has gone up. I think when I first bought it, it was $20, which was already expensive, and now it's $24 each. So it is a splurge, but I seriously have never used a better lip balm. It doesn't leave them feeling sticky, they feel hydrated, and they're also tinted, so there's a couple of different shades you can get. This one, the Vanilla Beige. Yeah, Vanilla Beige, and there's a clear one are my favorite. I haven't tried the red one or the pink one yet, but this stuff is so good. If you have extra money to spend, please try it. You will not regret it. Coconut oil. Coconut oil, coconut oil. I don't buy cleansing balms. I just don't. It's a waste of money to me. Coconut oil, organic, unrefined virgin coconut oil is what I use to take off my makeup. In my bathroom, I keep a little container that I will just scoop some into when I get home from going out, from filming, whatever it is that I'm doing. Before I use my face wash, I just lather some coconut oil all over my face. Also, if my skin is feeling dry, I'll go to sleep with a layer of coconut oil on. So this is just great. Personally, I don't think it's worth it to spend money on cleansing balms. Just get you some coconut oil. I have one face wash, and this Naturium. This is the first product. I've actually only tried this product from Naturium. If I'm saying that right, Naturium. I feel like I'm saying it weird. But I got a travel size because I didn't want to pay for the full size before testing this out, but I love this stuff. So this right here is the niacinamide cleansing jelly, 3%. Y'all, niacinamide is so good for all skin, but specifically if you have oily skin or if you struggle with discoloration on your skin, hyperpigmentation, this is so good. I have been using this probably for about 3 months now and have noticed my skin looking so much more clear. The texture is perfect. I don't like super like heavy or thick cleansers. This is a really nice gel texture. I'm definitely gonna buy the full size bottle once this runs out, but this is pretty much the only cleanser that I've been using for about 3 months now. This next one also goes along with my girlies who struggle with discoloration. I've been using this for over a year. Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. Please try this. This is at Ulta and it's actually really affordable. They did make a bigger size of this, but this will change your skin. I have been wearing this almost every single day for the past year, and that in combination with the other products that I use has really helped, so please try this if you struggle with that. Okay, I have 2 different face moisturizers and an SPF left. This right here, I've been using this for years. This is from the brand Verse, and this is really good, again, if you have oily skin. Super lightweight gel moisturizer. This is just good. I don't know how to explain it. This is just such a good moisturizer. It has green tea, aloe leaf. This is good. I will always repurchase this. It's super light and kind of like melts into your skin. But if maybe you have a little bit drier skin, this next one is something you might want to try. This right here is from The Ordinary. This is their natural moisturizing factors with hyaluronic acid. This is more of a lotion, so whenever I have drier skin or during the winter I need a thicker moisturizer for my face, this is the one that I will go in with. The ingredients are so pure, like it doesn't smell like anything, it doesn't have any fragrance, so if you have sensitive skin, this is going to be a good one for you. I've had this forever. This bottle is almost out, so it's almost time to repurchase. And the last one is an SPF, and when I tell you every single summer I have to hunt this down because that is how good it is. This is my girl from Trader Joe's. This one went viral last summer and I had to try it. This is a dupe for the like $30 Super Goop Clear SPF. This is Trader Joe's Daily Facial Sunscreen. It's SPF 40. This is oil-free, invisible, most importantly does not leave a white cast, doesn't have fragrance, and it's water and sweat resistant. This has such a nice like matte finish. I love this. This is like my daily SPF. I also wear it if I'm going to run outside, walk outside. This right here is pure gold. It always disappears so quickly once summer starts, but actually I bought this at the beginning of summer and I still have a pretty good amount left. So this is number 11 skincare that I cannot live without. If you are not putting on SPF every day, what are you doing with your life? So those are 11 skincare products that I cannot live without. I will link everything down below if you want to check it out. I'll catch you guys in the next video.